Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G10 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this Nokia. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down right away. Then choose System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and the Gboard. Over here you need to tap on Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now you can select the photo that you want to apply by clicking on the chosen one. Then pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done and click on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. When you're ready, click on Apply, and now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!